First of all, let me just say, I don't know. My hair, I'm not liking how my hair is looking. I'm not liking anything. I don't know how I want to sit in this camera. I just don't know. So hello you guys, welcome to my channel and happy holidays as well. Since the new year is approaching us, literally, I decided why not do a video pertaining to YouTube video ideas. You know, maybe you're a small YouTuber, maybe you're just trying to think of new videos to put out that'll get views, you know, whatever the case may be. I feel like this is a great video for you because who doesn't want new ideas for videos? Like, be real. So let's get into the video. First of all, before you get into the video, I just want to say that I bought myself a ring light, and this is my first time recording at night because of this ring light. Like, I absolutely love this ring light. I just love it, and I feel like I should have bought this way sooner than I did. It's okay because I'm hip now, but I would definitely be recording way more videos at night, and that's why, because with my videos, I would only just record during daylight because that was the best light I had. And my room light, that's good too, but it's not good enough for no YouTube video, you know? So I'm just glad I finally got the ring light. So the first YouTube idea I have is an eyebrow tutorial. If you're a girl and you're into beauty, whatever, eyebrow tutorials never go out of style. You know, people always do eyebrow tutorials, updated eyebrow tutorials. They're so easy, you know. Just show your viewers your steps of how you do your eyebrows, what you use for your eyebrows, stuff like that. The next one is a get ready with me. You could do a regular get ready with me, you know, get ready with me to go to the store. General get ready with me. You could do a chit chat get ready with me. I like watching chit chat get ready with me's more than regular get ready with me's, because for chit chats, you know, the person's actually, you know, kind of having a conversation, and I enjoy that way more. You can do a mukbang. I personally love watching mukbangs. I know it might sound weird, and it probably doesn't even sound that weird because mukbangs are getting kind of normalized now, but mukbangs, I feel like will never go out of style, especially if you do a seafood mukbang. Seafood boils get a lot of views, period, because everybody loves seafood. So you can always do mukbangs. It doesn't even have to, you don't even have to spend a lot of money, you know. You could do McDonald's, Wendy's, you can even cook at home, you know, fruit you may have, whatever. But you can always do a mukbang, literally just eating in front of the camera. And if you decide that you want to do a mukbang, just make sure that for your thumbnail, you have a thumbnail that's visually appealing, that people would actually want to see. Because if I see, you know, a thumbnail that's just blah, like dry, you know, you just see somebody sitting in it, light's not good, I'm not gonna watch that mukbang. A clothing haul, makeup haul, jewelry haul, any type of haul. You could do a try-on haul as well. That can go along with the clothing hauls. I personally feel like try-ons are way more better than just regular hauls, because people always want to see how certain things look on other people. So if you're into, you know, clothes, it doesn't even have to be clothes, but clothing hauls, try-ons, those are definitely a go-to. If you're into hair like me, you can do a wig review. Wigs are worn a whole lot by everybody of every race. So I love watching wig reviews. I love, you know, finding new wigs that I could purchase. So you can always do a wig review. You could just talk about how you like the hair, pros and cons of the hair, where'd you get the hair from, how much it was, etc. You can even do a video on how you apply your wigs, how you tweak your wigs, especially if it's a wig that's kind of janky out the box or whatever, stuff like that. Do a reaction video. It could be on anything, really. You can react to stuff that's going on social media, viral topics. You could do a review on YouTube drama if you're into that. You could do a review on a show, new movie that just came out, music videos, literally anything. If you decide to do a reaction type video, I suggest that you do something that's kind of trending right now, because doing a reaction video on something that's trending right now will gravitate to more views than doing a reaction video on let's say you're doing a reaction on the Flappy Bird game. Nobody's checking for Flappy Bird anymore, so make sure you're just choosing a topic that's very in and up to date. You can do a challenge video. You can do a challenge for anything. I feel like food challenges are the most popular. Any type of challenge. You can piggyback, try a challenge that someone started. You can do that. Or you can even start your own challenge. YouTube is a space where you can be very creative. This is your content, your channel, so you could create your own challenge, and who knows, your challenge might go viral. Other YouTubers might try that challenge, but just be very creative when it comes to challenges. You can do a Q&A. I feel like Q&As are best for YouTubers who have, not a huge amount of subscribers, but for YouTubers that actually have, subscribers that kind of interact with them. Like for me personally, I wanted to do a Q&A a little while ago, like during the summer, but I think I was at maybe 100 something subscribers, so nobody's really checking for a Q&A for me, because at the end of the day, it's kind of like, who are you? Like, I don't know. Me personally, I would just rather do a Q&A when I have subscribers who actually want to know more about me, and I know that they want to know more about me, then I'll be more willing to do a Q&A. You can do a video on how you edit your videos and pictures. You can show people the apps you use, tools you use, how you use it. Do a collab video. You could collab with your best friend. You can do, a best friend tag, boyfriend tag. You could even collab with another YouTuber. Doing a collab with another YouTuber is great, because I feel like that brings in views from both channels, So do a collab video if you can. Tutorials are always good. Me, I don't watch cooking videos a lot, but I know that there are people who are always, searching for new recipes, new ideas. Recently, since Christmas just passed, it's kind of too late. Not really too late, but I've seen quite a few videos of people cooking, making cookies on camera, just stuff like that. You don't have to be the best cooker in the world. You can just attempt something if you want to, but cooking videos will always be in a way. I might do a few cooking videos, you never know. Tune in, subscribe. But you can vlog a trip. Vlogs are something that I really enjoy watching. I love seeing videos of, people just bringing me in with their day, their trip, whatever it may be. So you could vlog a trip, vlog a vacation. I love vacation vlogs, especially Disney World vlogs. I love a good Disney World vacation trip vlog with different parts. I love it. You can do a pack with me video. This goes along with vlogging trips as well. For me, like, I love watching vacation videos, so I'm a sucker for watching people pack, people prepping for their vacations. If you enjoy travel and if you want your content to be about travel and stuff like that, this is a great video idea. To make a video and show people how you pack, how you organize your stuff. Do a video on how you style your clothes, how you put your pieces together, how this bag goes with this outfit, stuff like that, especially if you're into fashion. That's the perfect video idea. You can do a workout video, you know, take your viewers with you to the gym, show them what you do, the workouts you do to, you know, maintain your body, flat stomach, you know, Instagram baddie, model type figure, whatever it may be. I enjoy watching workout videos because it motivates me, and it also shows me, you know, different workouts I could do to target different areas I'm trying to target in the gym when I go. You could do a DIY. You could do a DIY for literally anything. DIY gifts, DIY clothes, distressing, literally anything, especially if you're already into DIY projects. Just record yourself doing it yourself. Literally. Do a video of your morning routine, night routine, skincare routine. Show your viewers, you know, how you get ready at night, how you start your day, stuff like that. So people, especially for skincare, I feel like people are so into skincare, you know, people have skincare issues. People are always just trying to figure out different ways to take care of their skin. So those are great. Not saying you have to be a doctor to do a video, but you know, simple tips that might help the next person is always great. Do a video of your favorite beauty products for the year, currently, favorite beauty products in the spring, winter, fall, whatever it may be. You can do relationship tips, astrology, not astrology tips, but there's a lot of videos pertaining to astrology, and I know a lot of people are into astrology, so you could just do a lot of tip type videos to help girls, men, relationships, whatever it may be. But you have your own business, you know, whatever the business may be, you can make a video to help other people start their own business. You know, the things you have to know going into starting your business, you know, budgets, money, where to find different things, you know, stuff like that. You can do an unboxing video. Unboxing videos are very popular, especially for the you know, technology type community of YouTube. You know, I used to love watching iPhone unboxing videos. I would watch them all the time. So you can do unboxing videos for your cell phone, laptop, MacBook, unboxing for makeup, maybe Jeffree Star just put out something. I don't know, I don't keep up with him, but you could do an unboxing for anything, literally. Eating one colored food, that kind of goes along with challenges. You could do that for a day, 24 hours, 72, is it 72 hours, 72 hours, you know, whatever. But you could do a video like that, or eating what the person in front of me ordered, stuff like that. You can do a story time video. If you're doing a story time video, make sure the story time is a video that's very interesting, especially with the thumbnail. I've done a story time before. It was I Cheated. I kind of don't feel like I don't have that many stories to tell. Might do another story time, maybe not, I don't know, we'll see. But if you know you have a lot of experiences, story times would be great for you. This is something that I did not want to include in it, but in this video, but I know, especially for YouTube, especially couple pranks, they're all just so corny. But if that's something you're interested in, do you, it's your channel. I'm not judging. I mean, I won't watch, but other people will. So you could do pranks if you're into that. Last but not least, you could do how-to videos. How-to goes along with anything. How to do a braid out, how to maintain natural hair. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Bria Alicia, BriaAlecia, 2 A's at the end. And follow me on Twitter at Bria Alicia, BriaAlecia, 1A. And yeah, if you have any video suggestions, make sure you leave that down below. Now we'll get to them.